Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 stocks that I recently just bought. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall I hope you guys get something of value out of this video, because that's the main idea with the video, with the channel, and everything in between. And if you guys do, smash that like button. So the very first stock that I recently bought more of is Amazon. Now, just by looking at Amazon's 3-year chart, you guys can see that we had this huge explosion of growth. Really went from around $1,600 all the way up to almost and over $3,500, giving a return of just about 111%, right? And lately, it almost feels like Amazon has been very, very sluggish, not moving much. But if you look at it, it actually has a beautiful support near and around about the 3,000 mark, in resistance near around 3,500. But since we are slowly getting more and more buying pressure, we are starting this nice solid short-term upward trend until recently, right? Over the past week or so, we've really seen Amazon get absolutely hammered and sold off, right? Look at this. You guys can see that Amazon was trading for around $3,700, sold off well over 15% in about a week or two. Now, for an uneducated investor, or for somebody that doesn't know much about trading, investing, you might get worried or scared thinking that your Amazon position is going to become worthless and you're going to lose all your money. But for me, when I see this, I just think, okay, this is going to be a good opportunity to buy this stock on a discount, right? Amazon's not going anywhere anytime soon, and I think that this is a very strong company, and we're going to see a ton of growth out of it in the next couple of years. And we're buying on a discount, right? So just by looking at it here, this is what we call the RSI. So the RSI is the relative strength index, right? So when the stock is in the red, like it is right here, we have a tendency to see sell-off, right? And as it gets close to this line right here, or even the green when it dips in it, this is when we get buying pressure coming into the stock, right? So it came up and over in the red, and we did get a little bit of sell-off. Came back up in the red, we've gotten some sell-off all the way down into the green. So for a short-term trade, this would be a perfect swing trade. But for a long-term investor like myself, this just brings massive amounts of opportunity to buy it. Now, moving on to position in stock number 2, we bought Activision. Now, Activision is pretty much just a gaming company. They make a ton of money, and I honestly believe the total esports era is just getting started. I think that there's a huge demand for this, and this is going to make some money here in the next couple of years. But one of the main reasons is it's very similar to Amazon, right? We've had a sell-off here of around 20%. So for me, what does that bring? Opportunity to buy in on a discount. This is going to be more of my riskier investments, and I'm well aware of it. Because I normally buy EA, but right now I have so much money really in this that I wanted to change it up and go, get into the same sector, but in a different company. So we're going with Activision this week. Probably going to put around $500 to $1,000 in it and just let it ride out for the next couple of years. And honestly, I think this will pay off in the long term. Okay. Now, the last company that we bought this week was Berkshire Hathaway, right? Berkshire Hathaway is a stable growth company, right? You guys can see it has beautiful upward trend, really some nearby resistance here in around 300. Right now, it's just been consolidating. I think that this is just a good one to average into. I've been buying this, in the past for a while, and I haven't bought much of it lately. And I think that there's still a very, very good opportunity. The stock's up more than 35% over the past year, so I think that this will be a good one to hold. And I think that over the next couple of years, Berkshire Hathaway is going to continue to dominate. You guys can see the absolute explosion we've seen in the past, year and a half to a year, that this is just a no-brainer investment. I would highly recommend it. Berkshire Hathaway still is a very, very stable company. They have some of the most cash on hand out of any company. And if you guys want to buy, the same thing, you guys can buy Berkshire Hathaway A, but it's right and around, $430,000. So I'm buying the B. I can't afford, obviously the A class, but the only difference is the stock price. Okay, guys. So these are the top 3 stocks that I am buying. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and overall, I hope you guys got something of value, because that's the main idea. And we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.